Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use history panel on Capcut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Capcut application on your phone. Okay, so actually the history panel will be appear on your screen if you are in the edit sections. So what is the history panel? So history panel is the project that you already created before that you saved as a project or history panel. So whenever you start a project, okay, I would like to give an example to you. Let's do click a new project, and after that let's do add several videos. Here I will let to use the videos from the Capcut, for example this video. Hold on. Okay, so I already have a video on my project like this one. So after doing editing, like doing trimming, and after that do give an effects on this video. Okay, let me do it something. Okay, then after we have added all of this section, and then we just go click this X button, our project will be saved on our history panel here. And what if we want to share, or want to look for our history for the template using, we just need to go click the three small line, and after that just go click a template. If you ever use a Capcut template as your project, they will be saved in your history template here. But if you never use the Capcut template, so that in this project will be 0 or empty. So let's try a new template. So go into the template, and then after that just go click the template, go click use template, and just choose the photos that you have that you want to add into this template. Okay, one left. Okay, do all of these instructions. Okay, and after done, go click preview. Okay, and after that, if you want to save this, go click export. But if you want to looking for another template, go back here, and now click save, and your project will be saved on your history panel on the project. You can go in these three small lines, go click all, and this is the history panel of your Capcut project. So that's all the way how to use the history panel. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.